Contenders 2061 2-box break with the giveaway. Here we go. I've actually already caught Entei already during this past couple of days. And I got the shiny one. We are removing the charges because they can't win themselves. 5 times. Here we go. 1. So shiny Entei. I don't know what that means, but 2 I'm up and about.
Nice.
3. Yeah. 4. And 5, Tabby. The winning team, the lucky team, is the Indianapolis Colts, who are very lucky. 5 times. Congrats, Colts. The Colts go to... usually go early. Lucas W. Congratulations. Alrighty, good luck to all. Here we go. Listen. If I'm done, if the breaks don't happen, I'll do it. If we're waiting on anything. Old Hentei. Tabby, you told me you love Hentei. First up, a rookie ticket of Chris Strevler. MVP contenders Matt Ryan. Literally 0 chance. Ever. Tabby, you told me the other day you spent your entire night looking at Hentei. What?
Not true.
It is true.
Not true.
Rookie of the year, Jake Fromm. No chance. I think the biggest Pokemon is officially Wailord. Legendary contender Steve Young. Or... I didn't know what he meant by it. I thought he was talking about the Pokemon. For the Carolina Panthers, rookie ticket, Derek Brown. DJ Dallas and Colby Parkinson for the Seahawks. Tabby said he was on MVP contenders Cam Newton. He was on the internet all night. Rookie of the year, AJ Dillon. Oh, the creepy sheep. Rookie ticket for the Cowboys, CeeDee Lamb. And a legendary contenders of John Riggins. What do you mean he's not here? He was just looking at Pokemon. Just playing Pokemon. Brennan Ayak, rookie of the year. That has like some sort of like thing on it. I'm going to use this to try and get it off. It's just like somebody's snack from the floor of the thing. It'll come off. I don't know what it is. Damn it, this is gross.
Can't see it.
Well, I got most of it off.
Oh.
Rookie of the year. That's... I'll see if we have a Brennan Ayak to replace that. Surely we will. Yeah, because you were talking about Octillery and stuff. You were talking about octopuses. Henry Ruggs and Jerry Judy. I didn't know that Entei ever had a battle scene with Octillery, but, you know, the more you know.
Octillery would obviously win.
Yeah.
Water tie.
Championship ticket to 99, Ryan Tannehill. Rookie of the year, Jalen Reagor. Tell me, they have entire shops in Japan dedicated to Entei.
That's awesome.
Deion Sanders, legendary contenders. You gotta be up and about that. Jonathan Taylor and Michael Pittman Jr., MPJ, for the Colts. Yeah. No, we ship cards straight away. We don't hold any cards. Darrell Williams, rookie ticket. MVP contenders, Dak Prescott. So, all breaks over a 3-day period, usually, just ship at once. Depending on how lazy Tabby is. No, I'm joking. Rookie of the year contenders, KJ Hamler. Russell Wilson, MVP contenders. Didn't know Tabby liked seafood. For the Atlanta Falcons, Jared Pinkney. Yeah, it's all included. Chase Claypool. So, literally, on Tuesday, I reckon, this break will be sent out to you. Any break that you're in. AJ Terrell and Isaiah Simmons. Usually it'd be tomorrow, but just because of how busy we've been since the public holiday, no love. Winning ticket, Christian McCaffrey. Usually no more than 3 full business days. Unless in very exceptional circumstances. Tabby and Blake taking on Entei. Mahomesy. Jeez, I'm getting a bit tired here. Gladney and Jefferson. Have you ever watched? To 149, Van Jefferson, Rookie of the Year.
Go home, like.
Aaron Rodgers winning ticket. Have you? Even just accidentally? On purpose? MVP contenders. Nice. Tom Brady. Curiosity got the better of you?
Entei highlights on YouTube.
J.K. Dobbins, Rookie of the Year.
His best work is on YouTube with all of his best episodes from Pokemon.
Jake Breland, rookie ticket for the Baltimore Ravens. Legendary contenders, Emmett Smith. Guys, sluggers with only 4 spots left. Jordan Love and Herbie. Nice one. Round numbers there. Oh yeah, get into Pack Wars. That's another good one. MVP contenders of Jared Goff. Terrell Burgess, rookie ticket. And nice, T. Higgins, rookie of the year contenders. Did you watch the episode where he fights Octillery?
I think so.
Yeah.
I've seen them all play.
Aaron Donald, MVP contenders. The one where Misty versus Octillery. You seen that one?
Hell yeah.
Oh,
My favourite.
You're gross. Nice, rookie of the year, Justin Herbert.
There we go.
Have you seen him where Brock fights Octillery? Rookie winning ticket, sorry, Aaron Donald. Oh. 250 points, don't let me forget.
Oh no.
Tabby,
Yes.
do you know how much I swear at myself when I don't do it?
No.
Carson
You
Wentz.
get upset.
So don't let me forget, there's only 6 packs to go. I shouldn't forget. How are they going to know? Rookie of the year, Jordan Love. Call me Tabby, feel good. Legendary contenders of Barry Sanders, one of my favorite athletes of all time. Hello, Thomas. Donovan Peoples-Jones, rookie ticket, and round numbers of the Niners, Kinlaw and Ayuk. Hello, Nico. I won't forget. Thank you very much, Sean. Michael Thomas, MVP contenders. 2 packs to go. Do we get an on-card auto? Rookie of the year, Henry Ruggs. Surely the 250 points doesn't replace the on-card auto. You have got to be joking me. Come on, be somebody good. Give us someone. Brian Edwards, on-card rookie ticket auto for the Oakland Raiders. And a legendary contenders of Dick Butkus. And that is that for the contenders. Stop recording. Oh.
You dog, you didn't do it.
No, I didn't. Here we go. We're going to pull up the entire list of random NFL teams and find out who picks up these 250 points. Did I trick you? Did I trick you watching at home? Or out on the town? One time, here we go. Good luck to Olski. Here we go. All 32 teams available. One time. St. Louis Rams. Congratulations to the Ram Jammers. You downloading Pokemon Go yet?
Like, I know that if I download it, I'll type it back into it and I go.
Tabby, you literally looked up what country gave Antarctica
No, I mean,
COVID.
Playing it again. I don't want to.
Why not?
Well, I'll help you out with that.
I'm joking. I don't care. I'm over it, Tabby.
Oh, okay.
I've stopped playing the game. I've uninstalled it. Sold my account. That's what you do to me.
Oh no.
Guys, a very tired Blake implores you to get into the final 4 teams of Sluggers. 15% off using code J27. It is just the Diamondbacks, the Cleveland Eyes, Colorado Rockies, and the San Francisco Giants
Is that the last break to go, or Pack Wars 2?
Pack Wars if it goes. If not... no idea, Brendan. Sorry, man. I have no idea what a Charles Woodson helmet would be worth. Just bit my own tongue. If it doesn't fill by 7:30ish, we will call it a night there, I think. Oh... I wouldn't know what to offer. Sorry, man. I don't handle those sort of things. If you want to sell them, send Dale a message. Jeez, nice. Dante DiVincenzo RPA in the old... Is he still playing?
Yeah.
How's he going?
He's alright. Role player at the moment, but I reckon he's got potential. Do you mean the NTRPA?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty.
Good idea, Cal. I'll whinge with you. Has it been sent? I believe it'll be going with tomorrow's lot. Harry's got a big day tomorrow. If you want me to hold it, let me know.
Oh, do you have a big day, Blake? I think I'll be doing it
Early?
No, because I'm gonna need that space upstairs. Yeah. So I'll do it after 3 o'clock.
Bless you, Tabby, says Magda.
Thanks, mate.
He's never blessed me before. Oh, I'm still recording. This is your fault.